Hi, Carlo Bujanda, graduated from the ALA Management Program from Harvard Extension School in 2020. I reside in New Jersey, but I'm originally from Venezuela. And I'm the Senior Vice President of Creating Innovation for one of the main financial institutions in the US. And I'm here today to talk about, the network that I developed while I was at Harvard Extension School, and especially that network of friends, of colleagues that are spread around the world, and which are part of, I would call it, my own network, my own community. And while I was at Harvard Extension School, one of the best opportunities you have, not only that you are remote and working with some folks, a number of folks around the world, is also to that hybrid model that Harvard Extension School has, where you need to spend some time also at Harvard. Give yourself the opportunity to get closer to folks that are actually spread around the world. I had people that were in Kazakhstan, in Russia, in China, in Southeast Asia. They have to come to Boston and actually for a weekend, and we developed so much close relationship. Even today, after graduating from the program, I still keep in contact with them. If I am in the innovation field, so every time that I have a question and I know that they are part of, they actually probably are part of a technology group, or they are in marketing, or they are in different fields, I can actually have that sounding board of friends where I can actually go to and ask for some questions. I even keep contact also with the professors and the academic community. So as you can see, the global aspect, the opportunity to get to know people from around the world, get to know leaders from around the world, you're becoming part of that Harvard community that goes beyond after your graduation. That become part of your network. So hopefully this is going to help you to make your decision, and I hope to see you soon at Harvard. Thank you.